Hey, I'm Lori, and I like to go by Lori B, just because my last name is such a mouthful. I'm so happy you found your way here. I created this space because I got tired of trying things that just didn't work for me. I spent years and a lot of money on different programs and products and opportunities. Some were good, but nothing ever felt like it was simple enough to stick with it. And I kept ending up in the same place, starting over. I was pretty sure I wasn't the only one over 50 that felt this way. So I decided I wanted something different. Something that actually made sense for me at this stage of life. That's why I built this community. Inside, I share simple ways to earn online, along with health, wellness, and mindset support, because it all matters. It all fits together. There's not going to be any fluff, there's no pressure, and there's nothing complicated. Just real opportunities that I believe in, and a place where you don't have to figure it all out alone. This is for women over 50 who want more stability, less stress, more time to actually enjoy life again, and to create memories with their loved ones. If that's you, come take a look. It's free and it's in the building stage. Start with introducing yourself, then move on to the Start Here section. Just take it one step at a time. Let's all enjoy our second act.